We are here sa parking lot. Yan, I'm so excited. Pupunta na kami sa aming building na pag-stayhan, building number 3 at sa building number 3, right, my love? Huh? And third floor.
I don't know, we have to go to
Yun! Lake view mga baduday! Dito na kami sa elevator. Love you! I'm hungry, my love. Third floor. We are going to third floor. Nangita kami, naghanap kami sa aming room. Kasi ang laki nitong building na ito. Woo! It's really a lake view, my love. Ayan. Hello, ang laki. Malaki siya, mga day. Spacious siya, mga baduday. Wow! Hello! It's really a lake view, my love. Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng aming view! This is one of the best! Yeah! Handsome! So pretty ng aming view!
Look, there's the bear.
Yeah! May tumitingin na bear sa amin dito, oh. At ang pretty, mga baduday. This is the advantage of booking a room early because we can choose what we want. This one is
Well,
my
we're
favorite
lucky.
room.
It just
Yeah.
so happened that
Yeah, we're lucky that we didn't run out the room. That there is still available. Ang ganda ng aming view. Ang ganda.
get my picture here.
Okay.
This, like this. Get the lake.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How about me?
Okay.
Here. The same as yours.
No, different.
It's over here.
I want a different one. Ay, ay, ay. Battery is lost.
Nalobat! You're so handsome here, my love. We are lucky kasi nag-book kami ba? Hindi kami nag-walk-in. Kasi kapag nag-walk-in kami nito, ay, na fully occupied na itong room na ito. Nakuha na to sa iba. My love, I will turn on the lights. Is this the light switch? Huh?
For what?
I will do house tour, a room tour.
Okay.
We will do room tour. Nasaan man ang mga switch nila? Ayan, and this one. How about in the living room? Is there a light here? Ilagay natin to dito ang ating bag kasi mag-room tour ako. Dito tayo magsisimula sa aming balcony. And meron sila ditong maliit na dining table, balcony table. You video me, my love? Or no? Okay.
I don't know, I don't know.
Okay, you don't like? Ito ang forma ng ating sa labas sa room. Pumasok na tayo dito sa ating living area. Meron silang 2 lamp each side. Ang ganda ng tela ng kanilang couch kasi para siyang balat sa dinosaur. And meron silang living table. What do you call this, my love? Center table? My love? Living table.
Coffee table?
Coffee table. Meron silang fireplace dito. Ayan. Spacious talaga ng kanilang living room. And merong TV, flat screen TV with free Netflix and everything. And meron na pala ditong wifi free. Dito na tayo sa kanilang dining table. Meron silang suga-suga. Ay, chandelier na maliit and dining table. Andito naman tayo sa kanilang maliit na kitchen. Kompleto lahat, mga baduday. Worth the price talaga itong binabayaran namin. Worth it ang presyo ba? Merong freezer, ang kanilang ref. Ito, ref. And freezer sa taas. Malaki din ang ref, And meron ditong sink. Ang ganda ng material ng sink nila. And meron din silang microwave and gas range. And toaster bread. Toaster bread, this one, my love, right?
Toaster.
Yeah, for bread.
For anything.
For anything.
You want to toast.
Okay.
whatever it is.
Yeah, meron sila ditong mga ganito, yung mga utensils, mga spoon and fork. Meron ditong mga free, nga mga Lipton, coffee, creamer, sugar. What is this? Arabica blend coffee, 100% Arabica coffee, and Castle Creek coffee. And this one, salt, black pepper, Lipton, and 0 calorie sweetener. And meron sila ditong coffee maker. Meron sila ditong paper napkins. That's it. Meron ditong mga knife, plates. Kumpleto, mga baduday. Meron ditong glass. Mga glass. Meron din silang glass wine. Kumpleto. Meron ditong glass na plate. Meron din silang mug and mga platito. Yung mga maliliit na plato. What is this? Meron din silang ano, oh. What is this, my love? Dishwasher?
I guess so.
And next, meron din sila ditong malaking mirror, oh. Ang cute ng kanilang disenyo dito, oh. Aesthetic. And next, ito, parang storage ito. Mga ano ba, blanket, mga bedsheet. And with hanger too. And next, punta tayo sa bathroom. Ayan, merong sink, merong blower, merong tissue, and aloe vera soap, organic oatmeal, and anong tawag nito? Q-tip, pangpalinis na dunggan, pangpalinis sa tenga, and makeup remover, mild cleansing wipes, and another makeup remover, sanitary kits for lady, for woman, hairnet ito with pugong, with hair tie. Meron silang binigay na 2 malalaki na towel, 4 pieces of maliliit, and 1 piece of para sa paa ito. Merong cutie nga bathtub, hot and cold shower, and also merong shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and paglalagyan ng soap. That's it. Ito ang forma sa restroom or shower room. Ayan, shower room. Meron din sila ditong paglalagyan ng mga kung anik-anik. Meron pa silang binigay na extra, oh. 2 big nga towel and hand towels, 3. And also mga toilet paper and tissue, plastic. Kailangan namin ito. Mga trash, meron kaming plastic panglagay sa trash. Meron pang ano dito, oh, space. And that's it. Ang ating tour sa ating restroom. Doon naman tayo sa ating bedroom. Ayun, super lucky talaga niya. Spacious siya ba? Dito naman tayo sa ating bedroom. Ang cutie! Simple but cute. Meron ding flat screen TV dito sa bedroom. Isa lang to ka bedroom ang kinuha namin kasi kami lang naman 2. Meron silang 2 lamp and mga cabinets. Ang ganda ng kanilang bed. Soft ba? And dito, meron silang pangsampayan, panghayhayan ba sa Bisaya. Meron silang malaking mirror dito, katapat sa aming bed. Yan. Ang cute! And then, meron din silang fan, oh. Para yan sa summer kapag super mainit ba. Ang cute ng kanilang bedroom. And yan ang door palabas. And I think that's it for today's room tour. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh, ang forma ng ating room. Super cute. Cutie niya. Meron din siyang bar dito, oh. Maliit na bar area. Ang tawag nito is bar area kasi meron siyang ganito ba? Meron siyang lingkuranan. Upuan. Ang presyo pala nitong room na to is $470 ang nabayad namin ito. Maganda kasi nag-book na kami daan ba before kami pumunta dito. Kung hindi kami nag-book mga day, nahutdan na kami, naubusan na kami ng room, fully occupied na. Kanina nagtanong kami kung meron pa bang available. Sabi ng receptionist, fully occupied na lahat ng room. Si Tom ay nag-restroom lang kadali. Pupunta kami ngayon sa restaurant, kakain kami ng aming dinner kasi 4:50 PM na dito sa gabi, sa hapon. And sa labas kami kakain kasi madaming mga restaurant doon sa labas. Madami kang choices ba na pagpipilian. What, my love?
There's no fireworks allowed here
But
because there's a bald eagle nesting here.
do we can allow to walk by there
You
in
can
the
do anything,
lake?
but there's not
lake-
going to be any festivity
lakefront?
on the lake, no fireworks or anything.
Okay.
You can do whatever you want. You can walk on the lake, anything.
Why? Because
It's
is it
public. It's
That's
a
good.
public.
That's good. So we can walk at the lakefront over there. Mag-walking kami dyan bukas nito. Aayain ko itong mag-walking dito kasi ang ganda ng view. Nakaka-relax sa
Teddy
utak.
Bear Restaurant.
Yeah, we can try in Oakside first and then let's see.
What
Let's see in
restaurant?
Oakside and then Teddy Bear
I don't know
Restaurant.
what
If
you want first. I'm reading-
Oakside first and then Teddy Bear Lake.
This one's
Teddy
more
Bear
popular.
Restaurant.
Teddy Bear's is a 4.4. More rate, more people go there. It's
I
not-
like Oakside because it's lake view.
But it's already dark.
Okay, it's up to you.
I'm saying there's no view anymore because we can try it. You want Oakside to get
Yeah.
it to the restaurant. Here's to the 4701 Village Drive. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Sa Oakside kami una. Try namin sa Oakside. Ug meron ba silang available doon? Kung meron pa bang vacant ang kanilang restaurant. Kasi sabi ng mga receptionist, wala daw vacant ngayon. Nang dahil sa maraming tao ba? Dahil sa super crowded ba? Kung walang vacant sa Oakside, we will try in Teddy Bear Restaurant kasi popular din yun na restaurant dito sa Big Bear Lake. I will bring my bag, my love. Dalhin natin itong bag natin. Ay. Oakside.
You want it?
No, it's too crowded. Let's just go to Teddy Bear Lake. What
I
do you
don't have
think?
the address. This is
Ang
gonna be
daming
crowded
tao.
here, my love.
Yeah.
We're in the main town here. I don't. This is
Yeah.
gonna be too much. I don't know where the teddy bear. You have to direct me.
Yeah, wait, I will search it. Hindi pala kami ni Dayon doon sa... Hindi kami tumuloy doon sa Oakside kasi feeling namin matagal silang mag-serve and gutom na kami. Kaya nag-transfer kami dito sa Teddy Bear Lake, Teddy Bear Restaurant. Teddy Bear Restaurant, beer and wine. Ang daming turista oh. Daming turista. Nandito lang sa gilid-gilid ng karsada. Nakaupo. Where? Over
Wow,
here,
okay.
this one?
No, that one.
Where?
Maybe it's that one. Is that it?
No, it's over there, the first one. First
Okay, well,
restaurant.
we have a problem here because there's no parking. It's too
Yeah.
crowded. I think this is a problem here. What do we do?
Let's just go around here to the right.
To the right?
Yeah, here. Turn. There's no sign. It's for Teddy Bear.
Okay.
Ang hirap dito ba ay ang parking
Here,
kasi
I'm gonna
super
move.
daming tao. Super crowded. At sa wakas ay nakaparking din. We are lucky kasi nakatapat kami sa restaurant na aming pupuntahan.
Look, it's crowded. I love it. Are
Yeah.
you sure this is it?
Yeah. Papasok na kami sa restaurant.
I don't see
Daming
anything.
tao mga doy.
I don't see anything that says teddy bear.
Yeah, that's Teddy Bear. We
Where?
have to go here, over here, to the right side. Where? There is the sign there, Teddy Bear Restaurant. We have, it's over on the other side where we park, I think. Ang daming tao.
There, teddy bear restaurant.
Yeah. Hello. Kalisa. Ang cute. Yeah, that's it.
I don't know. We don't have. I have to sit here.
Malapit lang pala ang door sa pinaparkingan namin. Wow! Papasok na kami. Cash only. ATM in the lobby. Ang daming tao.
Can sit anywhere, right?
Yeah. Wait to be seated. Ayan. Ang purma ng restaurant. Ang cute. Ang cute. Mabuti ay nag-boots ako kasi ang lamig.
Two.
I think this is...
Hi.
Hello.
Two.
2. I think this is the most popular restaurant.
Go ahead.
Right?
Hello.
Okay, thank you. Over here. Dito kami sa may window. Wow! I think here. Here? This one. Yeah. This one, my love. Dito kami sa may window side. Ang cute ng kanilang restaurant. Tingnan niyo. Ang daming tao. My love, I think this is the most popular restaurant, right? I saw it in Google.
One.
Most rated.
The highest rating of the most reviews.
Yeah.
This one has the same rating, but as
Yeah.
outside, but more reviews.
Yeah, it's the number 1 in the Google.
I guess if that's close. To
Yeah. Naghintay pa kami sa waiter.
Menu.
Ay, menu. We have to do this QR code. Ito pala ang menu nila, QR code. Akala namin maghintay pa sa waiter. Thank you.
The menu.
Is it the menu? Thank you.
I
Yeah.
want water.
2. Grilled salmon.
What's the soup? Yeah, tomato or split pea. I'll just
Tomato.
I'll just get the salad. You have blue cheese dressing.
With fries, mashed potatoes, or like baked potato?
The baked potato.
Any mushrooms, onions on the steak?
Yeah, I want to get that too. Okay. Yeah.
Grilled salmon.
With a soup or with a salad?
Soup. Tomato soup.
You don't want the split pea? Okay, that's good.
French fries, mashed potatoes,
Onion rings?
Onion rings.
anything else?
So just water, right?
Yes, yeah.
We'll just get the water.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. Okay, you. You and me too, my love.
Okay, just get the building
Okay.
inside of the room. That's
Yeah.
this area.
Yeah. Okay. You and me when the guy is here. When he will deliver the food. Nandito na ang soup, ang aking soup and salad ni Batong. Magchika muna tayo while waiting sa aming order.
How come that when we drove in here, the car was very slow and leaving?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I think they are just talking to his wife.
In the car?
Yeah. Kain tayo. Soup mga day. Tastes good. My love, try it. Meron akong chika sa inyo ba? Ang history sa Teddy Bear Restaurant is before, para meron kayong matutunan sa vlog ko na to, before ang original restaurant is located 100 yards from here, going to the old restaurant before. But now, since naiba na ang No. Since naiba na ang owner, nabenta itong restaurant sa new owner mga 1973. Since naiba ang new owner, naiba din ang location. Kaya dito na-locate ang restaurant na ito kasi nag-iba ng owner. Ang original owner talaga nito is mga Wingards family. Ang new owner na ngayon is Schweitzer, right, Melab? How do you pronounce that? Schweitzer family na ang new owner ngayon sa Teddy Bear Restaurant na to. Nabenta nila ito since 1973 and nag-start ito mga 1944. Na-transfer ang restaurant dito is mga 1973. My love, you wanna go check the car? Okay. Ang Teddy Bear Restaurant ay since then, they used to made scratch pies and American home-style cuisine. And then, hanggang ngayon, ay yan pa rin ang siniserve nila sa kanilang mga customer. Merong nagtitinginan sa akin mga day na tagahiya. Nahihiya ako mga day. Yung ibang mga American ba ay nagtitingin sa akin para silang nanglibak sa akin. Pero yung libak na good, yung parang sinasabi nila ba na merong vlogger, oh, tingnan nyo. Here's the food. Thank you. Yeah, ito ang akin, grilled salmon with onion rings, and kay Tom is, what did you got, my love?
Baked potato, steak,
Steak with mushroom,
and onion. This is cornbread with
cornbread
This is
with butter.
You can have some of mine.
Oh, I like that, my love.
Which one?
This one.
You can have half of whatever. We'll
Okay.
Take it.
We will split this one too, okay?
Yeah, everything.
Because
whatever
I
you
like
want.
this one
You want
too.
this?
Yeah,
You want the baked potato?
yeah.
Take it, man.
Okay, wait. Mag-share lang kami.
You want the steak too? You want the steak too?
Yeah.
You gonna finish this?
Yeah, okay. Let's split. Kain muna kami. Nag-split lang kami nito. Binigyan ko siya ng unti na salmon. And binigyan din niya ako ng beef. Binigyan ko siya ng onion rings. Binigyan din niya ako ng baked potato. Is this, what kind of potato is this, Nela?
Baked.
Sweet? Sweet?
Baked.
Just potato?
Baked.
Okay. Just a potato? Okay. Baked potato. Hindi ito gabi ha. Para siyang gabi no. Color ano lang siya. Color brown nga potato. Ayan ang sa kanya. Meron siyang onion rings. Pareho lang kami nito. Pareho kami ng pagkain kasi nag-split kami. Kain tayo. Beef. Yummy. The beef is good, right? I love.
I don't know. Everything's good.
Yeah. Mushroom, onion rings. Sour cream pala ang nilagay nila sa potato. Kaya siya masarap. Yan. And meron din tayong salmon. Grill nga salmon. Tastes good. Kain muna kami. And meron tayong salad dito. Kaunti na salad.
You can use the steak knife.
I can keep it? Huh?
You
Okay.
can keep it, but not to bring home. But
How about you?
keep it for the dinner.
What are you using? Bread knife? My love?
Yeah, well, it's not really a butter knife. Sort of it's not a steak knife, but it's a regular grated knife. See, it has serrated. Cut
Yeah.
meat with it.
It's multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Kain tayo. Ang sarap ng beef. May dugo-dugo pa ang beef. Ang salmon, super sarap ng salmon. Grilled salmon. May onion rings. I'll give you. Malapit nang maubos.
I mean, do you take it to go? Sure. You want ice cream too? Or no?
Yeah.
How about ice cream? You have that too, right? Huh?
Vanilla ice cream, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you're gonna eat the ice cream here.
No.
No? Can we get it to go?
To go.
Is that we can do that?
I'll put it on the side. It's up to you guys.
We can get a container to bring.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
so
you.
is that what you want?
Yeah.
So both of those to go. Yeah, after we're done. Just
One.
bite.
One vanilla ice cream. Thank you. Nag-order kami ng one vanilla ice cream to go. Na take out. At saka, what did you get for pies? French apple. That's good because that's what they used to serve ever since they start this restaurant. They used to serve that, my love, scratch pies and American home-style cuisine. Tapusin ko muna ito. Malapit na sa wakas. Buyag. Yeah. I'll finish it. Don't worry. We have cornbread here too. You eat it. I cannot eat, my love. I'm almost full. Tapos na kaming kumain. Nag-take out lang kami ng ice cream, vanilla ice cream, at saka pies ni Tom. What do you call this pie, my love? French apple pies. para sa aming midnight snack and ang aking ice cream. Wala silang bottled water. Maghanap kami ng bottled water kasi baka mauhaw kami mamaya ba. No. Baka mauhaw kami mamaya ba. Kailangan namin ng bottle of water. Ha? We better find a bottle of water, my love.
You have to go get water.
Yeah. Ilagay muna namin ito dito sa garahe ang aming food. Nandito kami sa ibang restaurant kasi naghahanap kami ng bottled water ba. Naghahanap kami ng bottled water. Ay, ay, ay. What happened?
Nothing.